Around 616 BC, King Nabopolassar took advantage of the fall of the Assyrian Empire to bring the seat of the empire back to Babylon. It was his son Nebuchadnezzar II who led Babylon back to his former glory. Nebuchadnezzar II ruled for 43 years. He was a great military leader and expanded the empire to include much of the Middle East, all the way to the Mediterranean Sea. This included the conquering of the Hebrews and taking them into slavery for 70 years, as told in the Bible. Under Nebuchadnezzar's rule, the city of Babylon and its temples were restored. It also became the cultural center of the world, just like during Hammurabi's rule.